All right, ladies and gentlemen, so you'll go to the Pendulum Lab, you'll choose Intro, and it will show you that. To set the thing up, you want to untick the ruler because we're not going to be using the ruler at all. Then we're going to tick the stopwatch because we are going to want to time the period. And we're going to tick period trace. The mass here is set to 1 kilogram, so that's fine, you can do that. We'll leave the gravity the way it is. The length in the top right is what you will be adjusting. You will need 5 different lengths, and you will need the same length between them. So in other words, going from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, not skipping around. You need the same distance between your lengths, 5 of them. And I'm going to just go ahead and do 1, write that for this demonstration. Now, what is you can clearly see what length is, right? What is a period? So, I'm going to take the pendulum, I'm going to bring it all the way up to 90 degrees. That was 1 period. When it goes up, down, back up, back to the middle, that's a period. So that blue line right there, that traces out a single period. All right? So here's what I suggest you do. You take it to 90, you let it swing. You watch it for a bit. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that is the time for my period, 2.36 seconds. And that is how you do it. Length of 1 meter, 2.36 seconds is the period. Good luck.